Class 10, Chapter 11, Trigonometry, Exercise 1, 6th problem, very important. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my channel. 6th problem, in a triangle ABC and a triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. This problem same as like example 1 in NCERT as well as in TS and AP syllabus, and also like this problem there in 5.23 R.D. Sharma. Triangle ABC, here I'll take a B, C, and triangle XYZ. Here I'll take X, Y, Z. ABC is a right angle triangle at B. XYZ is a right angle triangle at Y, where angle A is equals to angle X. We should show angle A and angle X. Angle A and angle X are acute angles. These two are acute angles, such that we should show cos A is equals to cos X. Here cos A is equal to cos X given. We should show that angle A is equals to angle X. Okay, show that angle A is equal to angle X. Just now I said cos A is equal to cos X, find that wrong. Cos A is equals to cos X given, angle A is equal to angle X we should find. Here we are taking angle A, therefore this longest side AC is hypotenuse, AC is hypotenuse, and in this XZ is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse beside side is called adjacent side. This is adjacent side, and here also in this also XY is the adjacent side. The leftover side BC is the opposite side. In this leftover side YZ is the opposite side. BC is opposite side and YZ is the opposite side. Cos A is equal to cos X. This is given in the question. Okay, based upon this only we should prove the problem. Now cos A means what? Cos means what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, means AB by AC. AB by AC. In the place of cos A I am writing AB by AC. In the place of cos X in this triangle, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side what? XY. Hypotenuse what? XZ. Means XY by XZ. XY by XZ. But this ratio there for this triangle only. See, AB by AC and XY by XZ there. But we should show proportion to these two triangles. Therefore what we should do? We should cross multiply. Cross multiply means AB into XY, AC into XY, AB into XZ, AC into XY. You'll multiply and you'll transpose the terms. Now I'll tell the technique once. See, easy technique. AB by, here this XY here right, this AC here right in the place of XY. XY right in this AC place, and in the place of XY AC right. AC by XZ. Finish a transpose. See here, AB right like that only. AC place there, no, the AC place XY right, XY place AC right. See here, XY I wrote here, AC I wrote here. Now AB by XY, see once, AB by XY in proportion, and AC by XZ are in proportion. Which side is not proportion? BC is not proportion to YZ. We should show that BC is proportion to YZ, means BC by YZ. We should show that sides. Let AB by XY, let AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ, AC by XZ. AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ is equals to K I am writing. Now separately I'll take AB by XY is equals to K I am writing, and AC by XZ is equals to K I am writing, and I'll find AB value. To find AB value, AB is equals to K into this XY will transpose to RHS side. What happened? Division becomes multiplication quantity. Therefore K into XY. This also same. AC is equals to, we should find AC value. AC is equals to K into this XZ will transpose to RHS side. What happened? Division quantity becomes multiplication quantity XZ. Okay. This AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ is equals to K. This is 1 will take in a triangle ABC, where angle B is equals to 90 degrees. By using Pythagoras theorem, we should find the BC side in this YZ side. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, we should find BC. Okay, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What Pythagoras theorem says? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, but we should find the by side BC. Therefore, this total will transpose to LHS side, and this AC square will transpose to RHS side. AB square transposing on both sides. AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. But we should find BC, no. Therefore, AB square will transpose to RHS side. BC square is equals to AC square minus this AB square will transpose to RHS side, means what? Plus quantity becomes minus quantity, minus AB square. Now the square root, the square you will write RHS side, means what happens? It becomes square root. BC is equals to square root of AC square minus AB square. Okay, I'll write as equation 2. Taking triangle XYZ, in this we should find YZ. Okay, by taking triangle, in a triangle X, Y, Z, angle Y is equals to 90 degrees. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, XZ square is equals to XY square plus YZ square. See here, hypotenuse square is equal base square plus perpendicular square. XZ square is equal XY square plus YZ square. Now what we should find? We should find YZ, no? Okay, we should find YZ. Therefore, we'll transpose this total to LHS side and the XZ square to RHS side. XY square plus YZ square is equals to XZ square. But what we should find? We should find YZ square. Therefore, XY square will transpose to RHS side. YZ square, keep it like that only. XZ square also write as it is. This XY square will transpose to RHS side, means what happened? Plus quantity becomes minus quantity. XY square and YZ is equals to, this 2 will transpose to RHS side, means what happened? It becomes a square root. Therefore, square root of XZ square minus XY square. This is third. Now dividing second and third. Dividing second and third. See here, just now we proved BC is equals to root AC square minus AB square, YZ is equal to root XZ square minus XY square. Anytime you'll get confused, means you keep it in mind like this, and we should find BC, no, means hypotenuse square minus another side. See here, AC square, hypotenuse square minus AB square. Here also we should find YZ, no. YZ is equals to hypotenuse square XZ square minus XY square. Keep it in mind. Okay, now I'm dividing these two. Now BC is equals to YZ as it is, write down, and AC is equals to, just now we proved AC is equal to AB is equals to, we proved just now AB is equals to K into X, Y we proved, and AC is equals to K into X, Z we proved above. Okay, in the place of AC I'll write K into XZ, and in the place of AB I'll write K into XY. In the place of AC, K into XZ, AC place K into XZ, and this is square as it is, write down whole square, and square root also write, minus AB means K into XY. In the place of AB I'm writing K into XY. This square as should write, as it is you write, therefore whole square. By denominator value same as it is, write root XZ square minus XY square as it is, write down. Now BC by YZ write as it is equals to, now the square root of K square I'm writing separately, K square into XZ square minus K square into XY square I am writing separately, by root XZ square minus XY square, write as it is. Again BC by YZ same as it is, write down. Okay, BC by YZ, and in this K square there, no, therefore K square taking K square as a common term. Now K square is equals to, here already K square we are taking common, means what left? XZ square minus, in this also K square we are taking common, means what left? XY square left, XY square, keep it in brackets. Okay, by root XZ square minus XY square. Now BC by YZ write as is, BC by YZ, write as it is. Now these separating the terms, root k square into root xz square minus xy square by denominator value as it is, write down root xz square minus xy square, right as it is, write down, and this total numerator denominator get cancelled, and here square root square get cancelled. BC by YZ is equals to k. Okay, BC by YZ is equals to k we got, but from 19 this will write as a 4, from 194 we get AB by XY. First, what is the first one? AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ. AC by XZ is equals to K. Okay. Now in the place of K, I can write this. No, in the place of K, I am writing BC by YZ. I write AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ is equals to BC by YZ. In the place of K, I am writing BC by YZ. Okay. Here now AB by XY is equals to AC by XZ is equals to BC by YZ. By triple S theorem, side theorem, triangle ABC is congruent to, triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle X. Hence we proved.